Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys how you can make a very tasty fruit popsicle for your kids. Yes, you can do this for them this summer. This is the best treat you can give them. Instead of always buying ice cream, please prepare this for them, okay? This is very healthy, right? So prepare this for them, and you can as well use any fruit of your choice. But here I will be using 2 ripe mangoes. Now I went ahead and I started peeling off the skin of the mango, and once that is done, I will cut the mango into pieces. Then I will set it aside. Like I said, you can use any fruit of your choice. You can use banana, you can use pineapple, any fruit of your choice. You can as well use vegetable if you want. You can use spinach or kale leaf. Yes, anyone. So now I'll go ahead and cut, and after cutting it, I will set it aside. So the next one here is orange. I don't want to use yogurt or whipped cream or milk, so I decided to use orange juice to sweeten the mango more, to make it more sweeter. So if you want, you can use milk or what is it called, or yogurt. Yes. So after extracting the orange juice, I will set it aside. So now I'll go ahead and get my blender. I'll pour in the mango, pour in the orange juice, and go ahead and blend. At this point, if you want to add ginger, this is the time to add the ginger, add the spinach or kale leaf and blend them together. Okay, so this is it. After blending it, the next thing to do is to get my popsicle mold. I'll go ahead and transfer them into the popsicle mold. Guys, this is a nice treat to give to your kids. Like I said, instead of always buying ice cream, you can do this for them, and this is very healthy. They will enjoy it also. Yeah, so that is it. You can use banana. In fact, you can add any fruit of your choice, but just make sure that the fruits you are adding are well ripe so that it will be sweet for them. So after adding this, I remembered something. I remembered my childhood memory, how we used to buy ice cream that they tied in white nylon and we'll be licking it. So I decided to do that. The one I reserved in that blender, I want to use it to do that. So after this one, I will get a cup. In that cup, I will place white nylon into it. Then I will go ahead and pour in the remaining one. I will tie it and put it in the freezer to solidify. This is my childhood memory. I want to, feel the feeling again once more. So that is it. This is the next day. It has solidified, and this is what it looks like. Did you see? This tastes so good. It tasted so nice, guys. I'm not even joking. Look at it. This is it. So this is me here enjoying the one I tied in the nylon. This is my childhood memory. In fact, I'm trying to bring back my childhood memory. So guys, at this point, if you enjoyed watching, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and go and make fruit popsicles for your kids. Bye.